Hi my beautiful, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is second day of our workout. Today I'm gonna show you my booty one. Hey, say hi.
How are you, booty? Yay!
Baby, I need ginger shot. Ginger shot actually gives me a lot of energy and it doesn't make me tired at all. That's why it's my favorite pre-workout. Sometimes I'm using coffee, sometimes ginger shot, sometimes both together, sometimes nothing. But Amina BCA only in the morning. No any like ghost, superpower energy. Booty workout. Actually it's like legs workout, but for me mostly concentrate on booty, all parts, because legs also working with all glutes workout. So. Thank you.
Give me one tequila shot.
Tapped in, lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. I feel my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the big picture through zoom lens. From the quicksand, make it push start, type of band's coupe with the tent plan. I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks, they quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glue hands, like I don't believe in new friends. Trail light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin, really I just wanna feel the world spin. Drop a check, watch me double that, I get it lit, I watch me.
Always start from stretching, swings back. It's my most important thing on the beginning of every booty workout. Actually, any workout, stretching and swings back. I'm using it all the time. Last time we did workout with Celine a couple of days ago for booty. We took super heavy weights and I was working out without belt. And I think my back is hurt because of this. Because no belt workout with heavy weight, not good. Also, if you're trying to grow your muscles, use heavy weights with less repetition. And of course with belt support.
Remember opening for shows, no a show, but I pulled through, I muscled up. Not a label one, fuck with us. I spin the paper, let them know what's up. I figured out we really onto something, cause the jealous niggas give a subtle love. Crazy, they hella shaky on that really, but that's fake. Shit, see through the shade, shit, they so unstable. Going all the way to places, never thought I'd take it all off the phrase, but I can't get no sleep, landing in the weeks. Life is bittersweet, I can't really explain it, but it's everything I need. At least for now I think that everything might be alright, okay, yeah. I can't get no sleep, landing in the weeks.
Workout, 5 exercises. I'm gonna use heavy weight today and I'm gonna do more repetition than usual on static. It works more for booty if you lean front. If you lean back, pressure comes on front. So that's why I'm working today more with booty. I'm sliding front. You need to feel exactly the exercise itself. If you're not feeling it, it means it doesn't work. You're doing 15 times, squeezing for 5 seconds, and after you do 5 times more fast.
Life is bittersweet, I can't really explain it, but it's everything I need. At least for now I think that everything might be alright, okay. Remember how I used to serve the plate, clean the food tray, working 8 to 4 from Tuesday through the weekdays, hustle evenings at the stool off Highway 92.
Every set we're gonna increase weight and increase intense. Yeah, it's literally left.
We'd always running just a few lanes, tucking a new game, back to the crib and I color in new ways, building a new blade, but the budget tied me down like shoestrings, connected the loose chain.
Concentrated on first exercise till I will not feel the burn inside.
Those were the days that made me. She on my line like a beacon. She could've swore that I was cheating. Be honest, I was barely breathing. Chasing the life how I wanted it, knowing that you was all that I need. Puzzle that all of the pieces that fit like a glove. You sit it right in front of me. How I don't see it. Hit up the Brody to fit. Like thought tonight, take it easy. Am I on or something? Or am I reaching?
Best rest is to walk. Stand up and walk just, or stretch opposite side. So if I did booty, I'm stretching it out. Rest like 20-40 seconds between sets and 1-2 minutes, 3 minutes between exercises. Sometimes I feel that I just need to concentrate exactly on booty. I'm doing less exercise, like 5 exercises only, and I'm doing more sets, 4-5 sets of every exercise, and I'm increasing weight as much as I can. Not less repetition, more repetition even. Like fully kill. I get tired from small bottles, 4 or 5 bottles to carry, or one big one. I prefer big one. 205.
Validated instead, I get told from the parking space, but it would feel like I could have a vote for the ominous faces. The art I won't save us. I thought the ground was for the breaking. Look like it's all overrated. Yeah, like it's all overrated. Like it's all overrated to me.
Having one spot to my favorite machine. It's bridge exercise and one leg back press. Everything I'm doing on static. Feel as much as you can. Minimum 100 kg on bridge exercise. By the way, girls, I was wearing my earring from my 13 years old. I decided to remove it. 15 years I was wearing, almost 16 to my now 29. Oh my god. I don't know. Let's see, maybe it will look pretty when I'm talking, and I'm not chewing gums anymore when I'm doing my videos. Hope so. 100. You're doing 10 times. After we squeeze in for 5 seconds, hold, feel, and after we do 5 times more.
Like it's all overrated to me. I can't get no sleep, living in the weeks. Life is bittersweet, I can't really explain it, but it's everything I need. At least for now I think that everything might be alright, okay, yeah. I can't get no sleep, living in the weeks. Life is bittersweet, I can't really explain it, but it's everything I need. At least for now I think that everything might be.
What I wanted to tell about legs workout, booty workout, you always should press on your heels. Very important to concentrate on your feet and wear flat insoles. Some of fitness person working out without any shoes in legs workout only because of feeling what you're doing. Just you need to concentrate on your heels exactly. When you do hardest part of one exercise, exhale. So each time on dynamic one, exhale. So normally you're using like 15 up to 20 kg per one leg. I'm using minimum 41 kg already, and I'm working only on static.
Bitch, I'ma go all the way up. They keep on calling my phone. They catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud, but I'ma go all the way.
You can do without breaks because you're working out with one leg, other legs very free position, so you're not putting pressure at all on second leg. So you can do 10 times, you can change, and after continue directly second leg for 10 times. My trainer. Remember, girls, only trainer can touch your muscles during workout. Only trainer.
Bad girl from the soil. She taking me out of this world. Bitch, I'ma go wave.
We finished 3 sets with non-stop breaks. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Now I'm going for my next important exercise is dumbbell deadlifts. We're gonna do with heavy weights as well. The problem that wrists got more tired than your booty when you do this exercise. I'm gonna take middle weight, like 12.5 kg in each arm. When I'm going for 70.5 kg, it's already heavy for my wrists. Pretty tiny, you know? I prefer to go heavy one, as heavy as you can. Just be careful with your wrist. Also, you can put extra support for your wrist, not to get hurt if it's already sweaty and tired. 3 exercises done, 2 more. Make sure that your dumbbell is getting very close next to your legs. Going very, very slow. Little bit down of your knees, and that is facing quite your up. That's it.
Nice guy with a cold shoulder. Yeah, we cool, but I don't know you. Wrote a flower when I'm off the potion. Give me superpowers that I won't stop.
Push by your heels up. Split your knees on the side. Stretch it on the side. Your knees important.
Way up in a squad NASA. Copper filled with the dark magic. Subtle flex when I run a race. Tell these rap niggas eat my dust. Lil baddie after cellular. Talking life and how we set it up. I'm a sharpshooter, yeah, Will Smith, call me Prince.
We will do 3 sets, 15 reps. Also rest between like 20-40 seconds. I'm not gonna increase weight, or I will. Should I? My wrist didn't get tired. My booty pretty strong. I'm gonna change for 15 for the one time.
Park, let me freshen up. Bay boy on a level up. Way up near the nebulas. I'm never copping a chain, cause I see it all through the frames. And I leave it all on the page, it's feeling like they want me locked in a cage. They want us all on that fake shit, but I'ma go all the way A with it, cause I don't feel all the way safe here.
As a 5th exercise, I will do Plié Squats with bar. One of the best exercises exercise for the booty, for the sides one. I like your shirts. Okay, not every gym has this machine because it's 3D Smith machine. You can use free weights. You keep in your booty front, squeezing it front. When you do plié, think that you are doing some dancing like ballet. So plié in ballet, just go down. We working for the sides of glutes. You can also use different kind of handed. I'm using this one. You can go front, you can go backward, front, front. I'm using this.
Aim and she wild off the goose, ghost ride, bitch, I come through the roof. Fuck 12, cause they all on my tail. Hella wild and I break all the rules. Chill, chill, bro, you way out of line. Yeah, I know it's a mood. Bitch, I'ma go all the way up. They keep on calling my phone. They catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud, but I'ma go all the way up. Bad girl from the soil, she taking me out of this world, bitch, I'ma go all the way up. Got a Jada squinting, got the gator spinning, I'm outrageous with it, going crazy with it. Got the phrase jumping off the page, gifted, got the waves pushing, got the neighbors tripping, got the trap booming, jumping out the speakers. Drip on.
Just to show this free weights.
Easy, gold wristed, couldn't tell me shit, bitch. Nah, bought a fisty. Cooking the bars, turn a lab into a living kitchen. Niggas grimace when I water whip it. Subtle flexing, live a candid image. Come from pushing in the S type with no license, gas low, the windows tinted. Still couldn't see me with the zoom on your little vision. Nah, we are not the same, we got different lenses. No one snapping like we something real vivid, keep it realistic. Fuck the split it with my day ones. Got the label making bank runs, cause a train of thought like a freight, huh? I'm the type to get a late start. You the type to be afraid, huh? I'm the type to never have things. You the type to have it made, huh? Yeah, wave. And I keep fuel to the flame, huh? How they got me going this hard, really I'm the type to never say much. Vice grip, got the game clutch. Every song make the stage rush. I always said making money might change things, but
make sure that you feel what you're doing. Finish this 5 main exercise. Now we're gonna do 2 extra. I prefer to do always hyperextension as a one, and second is gonna be swing back with weights. So we have perfect machine for the swing back. It's the other gym, we're gonna go there. But you also can use rope. Make sure that you stretching as much as you can your booty front and back. So concentrate yourself.
never let it make us. Bitch, I'ma go all the way up. They keep on calling my
It
phone.
is a little bit low even for Ramadan, so I don't do fast. This machine is a swing back.
They catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud, but I'ma go all the way up. Bad girl from the soil, she taking me out of this world, bitch, I'ma
Push by your heel. Also make sure that you don't have too much break between each leg. One leg is rested when you do other one.
I'ma go all the way up. They keep on calling my phone. They catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud. Bitch, I'ma go all the way up. They keep on calling my phone. They catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud. Bitch, I'ma go all the way up.
But it's really good timing to film in Ramadan, really nice. Not too many people in the gym. Everyone comes for workout or directly before iftar or after iftar directly. So in the middle of the day there is no one. So come in 1 month. Fitness tour to Maldives date 15-20 of June. So excited to do this. Now we need to get in shape and I will show you how to do it. The last 2 exercises it was abs and hyperextension. You saw me in my first day. I did it as well, just because it's really important to have very strong core. Doing 3 sets. If you do without weight, you can use more repeats. If you do with weight, just 10 times is gonna be enough. For watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put likes if you like it. And I'm gonna see you very, very, very soon. It's my next